So you created your design and you want to manipulate the font, but you can't seem to find the tools or necessary resources that can help you solve this problem? Well, look no further, because I have the solution for you. And this program is called Kittl. Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic designing to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. Today I'm going to show you a great way how to make your designs pop by using Kittl's transformation feature that can help you increase your t-shirt sales. We'll explore how to use this feature by creating a design together to help build the confidence that you need to start using this vital tool for your graphic designs. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit to this tutorial and today's special bonus. And if you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so this is Kittl, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new project. We're going to select that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to choose our artboard size. And we are trying to create a t-shirt, so we're going to click this t-shirt button, which is 4200 by 48 pixels. Very simple, very easy to follow. And we'll just click create. Off to your left, you're going to see a toolbar. You're just going to scroll until you see elements. You're going to select it, type in tree. We'll just do a simple tree, not too complicated. We'll just look. Okay, we'll select this one. Actually, it looks like a broccoli. I don't know if I want to do that. Let's try another one. All right, after scrolling and scrolling, I finally found one, because Kittl has a variety of images that you can select from. So I found one. So this one kind of looks similar to the one I made for my family. I colored each individual leaf different color, and we made it towards fall because her birthday was in November. So we gave it a fall theme to celebrate my grandma's 90th birthday. Okay, so if you've never done this before, I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration of how this works. But first things first is you want to lock your screen, okay? Because if you start moving stuff and then you accidentally move it, you're gonna lose your position, because you're gonna grab your tree or your image by accident. So first, what you want to do is just right click, and you see where it's got a little lock. You want to lock your screen. That way nothing moves. The only thing that's going to move is what you're trying to input or change on your graphic. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to shape this. Okay, so we're just going to put that in the eye of this leaf, and then we are going to use our transformation. We're going to go to transformation. We're going to use our distort tool. So this is a cool feature. All right, this is one of the ones that I love the most. If you see these little points right here, these are called nodes. Okay, and what the nodes represent is the little area that it's going to transform. All right, so if you could see, you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You got 10 points here that you can manipulate this font. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to shape the S from this point to this point. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just grab it from the top, and I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to bring this one down. All right, now you could start to see how it's starting to formulate. Now these, once you move that, you're going to get another set of nodes here. This is just to help you move back and forth as needed to help center your angles to what you're trying to do. All right, so then from here, we're going to just go ahead and bring this down in here. It doesn't matter how it looks for right now. All you're trying to do is just shape it inside here. Okay, so we're just going to go here, and you could see that everything's just starting to come around. Okay, and then if you got to, just drag it, center it, and if you lose your position just like I did right there, just go to your, once you click out of it and you click back in, you're going to get this little toolbar. Okay, and you see right here this box with the A in it, that's your edit text. It's going to take you right back where you were. Okay, Okay, how cool is that? Okay, so let's just type in Waymaker here. We're just going to hit our text again, and we'll type in Waymaker. We're going to bring this out, and let's see one that's going to just do us justice. So let's click in here, and let's try to bring this down. So we want this to shape to this arch, right? So we're just going to put the words in the center there, and then we're going to click our positive button here, and it'll just take us directly to that area. Okay. All right, and then simply just hit your transformation tool, and we're going to hit circle, and you could see right there it already formulated the way the shape of that arch is. Okay, how cool is that? All right. Okay, let's zoom back out. Now what we want to do is find one that's going to represent the wave. So let's just type in our text here again, and we'll just do, this time we'll just say faith. And then we're just going to bring this down. We'll bring it right here. You can see kind of like an arch right here, but I want to say it's more of a soft arch. So you can actually hit your arch, okay? And then just take it and make your adjustments. And there you go. Right there. And then we'll just bring it up some, just so it fits. Okay, kind of get the picture. All right, we're going to do another one. Let's say chosen. Now if you can see right here, this is kind of wavy. All right, let's get out of that again. There we go. All right, now you can use these three right here to perfectly align this one. Okay, oops, it's click here, and there you go. Now you have these sidebars to manipulate it, going up or going down, and I think that right there looks really, really good. And then you can just blow it up a little bit, bring it down, and then take this one right here to raise it up some, raise this one down, and just bring it down. All right, and sometimes if it doesn't work, you probably just have to decrease the size so you get that feel. Okay, and that's it. That's how you use these simple features in the transformation section here. And once you start getting confident and you start doing this more and more, you're going to be able to take your graphic designs to another level that's going to help increase your sales. So play around with this, get some practice in, and then you're going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to add all my words in here so you can see the final result. Okay, I'll be back in just a little bit. So just by utilizing this tool, you can see that you have a variety of other ways to create your designs to help increase your t-shirt sales. And you can see just a little time it took just to go ahead and add everything in, but with the help of that transformation tool. So you have a stunning design for your customers, right? And like I said, I took this image, I put everybody's name of my family into this tree and called it the Tree of Life. We presented it to my family, and everybody wore the t-shirt for our grandmother's family reunion. It was a nice event, and the t-shirt just gave it that more of a feel when we were all wearing it together at that party. All right, so after that, you can go ahead and download this. And what you want to do is just click on background remover, optimize quality, and then after that just hit download. Okay, and then once it's downloaded, you can just simply click on your page here, and up on the top toolbar you see where it says the little box with the cross. You can just add another artboard, and then go ahead and bring in your art design into it and just bring this out. So now what we can do is we can just get a feel of how it's going to look and be presented on a mock-up. So we'll click on mock-ups. We'll just click on Artboard 2, create a mock-up. Bring this out. And it's just as simple as that, okay? Using the transformation tool can transform your designs to help you generate sales, okay? So for those of you who stuck around watching this video to the very end, I greatly appreciate it. And now for the bonus. If you're curious to learn more about Kittl and what the website has to offer, you can try Kittl for free by clicking my promo link down below in the description. And you can sign up for any feature it has to offer by using my promo code. So with that, hope you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.